guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're trying to update your Google Chrome browser on your PC or laptop and Google Chrome refusing to update and showing unable to connect to the internet, and error code is this, as you can see guys in my screen. Don't worry, so let's see how to fix this problem one by one. First you need to know why this error appear on your PC. This error appear when Chrome cannot access its update server, system level service are blocked, firewall, DNS or proxy setting interface. Even if website are opening normally, Chrome update may still fail. If you are not connected to a strong internet, you need to connect to a strong Wi-Fi network on internet. Okay, after connecting, open any website. If the website is opening, only the problem is on your Google Chrome browser update only, at the time you can try this next method. Main reason behind this error guys, Windows firewall or antivirus blocking. What you need to do, if your PC was connected to a VPN, you need to disconnect it. Open your Windows settings, go to network and internet, go to VPN setting, and if the VPN is connected, you need to disconnect it. After disconnecting, you need to close this and restart your your browser one time, and open your browser once again. Click on three dots, scroll down, go to help and go to about Google Chrome and try to update your browser. It will now update your browser. As you can see guys, the error is now gone. If the problem is same, you can try this method. Now you need to open your control panel on your PC, go to network and internet and open network and sharing center and click on change adapter setting. Right click on your network and open the properties. Open the internet protocol IPv4. Okay, double click and open it and click on use the following IP address, and here you need to enter 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS here you need to enter 8.8.4.4, and then simply you need to save the settings and restart your PC laptop one time. After restarting, open your Google Chrome browser and try to update. If the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now you need to open your Windows settings once again, and in the Windows settings from the left panel, open privacy and security and open Windows security. Okay, and go to firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Make sure your Google Chrome browser is allow on both private and public network. Scroll down and find out Google Chrome, and once again try to update your browser. It will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type services.msc and then hit enter from your keyboard. And in the services you need to find out Google Update Services, G Update. Double click on it, right click on it, and here you need to select restart from here. If the service was stop, you need to start it, and once again you need to find out Google Update Services, G Update M. Same, you need to double click on it, startup type select automatically, click on start and then click on apply and then click on OK. After doing this guys, restart your PC one more time. After restarting, open browser, go to help, go to about Google Chrome and start updating your browser. If the problem is same, if nothing work, uninstall Google Chrome completely, download Google Chrome from official website. This is the only solution to fix the problem. Okay, open any other web browser. In the Google, here you need to search Google, download and open the official website, and you need to install the latest version. This Chrome update error is software related, not a hardware or internet issue. After applying this step, Chrome will update normally. Okay, if this video helped you out, like the video, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, comment if Chrome still does not update on your PC. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.